Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today I would like to talk about how we'll improve your communication skill. So I will share some technique or tips that if you use this technique, your communication skill will be increased. So first one is you make a video, 5-minute video that can be uh, history, that can be your previous day activity, that can be anything. Just describe 5 minute or talk to 5 minute in front of camera. Then next step will be listen the video without volume. So if you listen the video without volume, your gesture activity, your hand movement activity, you can notice. So if you notice your gesture or movement activity false activity, you can solve the gesture movement activity. So that is the one improvement. And second improvement, second time you will listen the video with uh, uh, with a speaker, a high speaker. So that time you will notice your voice expression, your voice fault. So you will notice your voice where you need to improve. Then day by day you will improve that voice. So it is the self improvement. You can improve your communication of yourself. At first you, so that you have to more confident for yourself, like your gesture movement and your voice will be very confident, so that you can feel very confident, and you don't feel any fear. So it is a most important communication skill hack. So if you face any communication problem, so you can use these tips for improving your communication skill. So no more today. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and happy learning. See you next video.